This is our second Deco TV frame, and this is the white alloy. And how cool does this look? Real metal and beautiful, perfectly finished white piece. Pretty easy to put together. You slide the little tabs in the front, and this is what's going to hold it to the top of your frame TV. We have two 2022 frame TVs, both 65 inches. And here is the bottom piece, which is going to hold it to the bottom. Everything is marked very clearly. These are a little different to put together. They're not magnetic. They do require they're just a little bit heavier, so they require these little clamps, these little pieces of metal that just slide in there. There's only 4 of them. You slide them right in. Real self-explanatory, very easy to do. And you just tighten these guys up, and the frame will lock itself in place. And then you just hang it right on your frame TV. And how cool does this look? Look at that frame. Unbelievable. It just takes your frame TV to the next level. Much cooler than the offerings that Samsung has, the very thin plastic frames they offer. This is real metal, and it's next level. It just looks phenomenal. Unbelievable job by Deco TV Frames.